At one stage you demanded Moses to provide you with a great variety of edibles, although you were living in the Sinai desert. You said, "O Moses, we are weary of the same kind of food, so ask your Lord on our behalf to bring forth for us plant foods such as herbs, cucumbers, garlic, lentils, and onions." He said, "Would you exchange something superior for something inferior, return to slavery for petty desires instead of achieving higher goals, go back in shame to Egypt, and you will get what you demand." So, humiliation and misery were stamped upon them, and they had to face God's requital. That was because they kept rejecting God's messages. And they persisted in opposing and even killing some prophets. Against all right. They did all this, because they chose to rebel and went on transgressing.